Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode. Today, we are talking about something every woman quietly craves, a meaningful pause. Joining us is Ms. Jasmeet Kaur, Director at Uniglobe MQOV Travels, with over 25 years of experience in curating exceptional travel experiences, from corporate moments to leisure journeys and exclusive women's groups. In fact, her first woman only departure was in 2007, and since then, this beautiful journey has only grown stronger. Jasmeet, I have to ask you, what made you think of starting the women departure?
I strongly believe in one simple thing. Why should men have all the fun?
Exactly.
I feel women also deserve me time, a
Yeah,
space where they can forget their duties and responsibilities and simply think about themselves. Many women don't even realize the value of me time
exactly.
until they have experienced it. And
Yeah,
once they do, the most common thing I hear from them is, हम पहले क्यों नहीं आए यार?
absolutely.
So since then, my women departures have started.
That is so true. And since 2007, you have done many such trips. Tell us, what have your experience been like? What keeps you motivated to continue?
So my journey has been incredible.
Oh, wow.
And what truly keeps me motivated is something very special. I get
Exactly.
to see a child in every woman. In daily life, women are supposed to be calm, composed, sophisticated, well mannered. But on
Yeah,
these trips, they laugh loudly, they dance freely,
absolutely.
they cry their heart out, they share their deepest regret, they share their dreams. They have done something which they have never even imagined before. So I remember on one of my trip, there was a lady 55, 60 years old.
Okay.
She jumped in the water
Oh my
and
God.
said, I am a frog today, I will jump. And there was
Okay.
another lady, she said, I'm a fish, I will swim. And there's a lady who's got 50 pics clicked like a teenager woman.
Oh my God. Glad to
I
hear
have
that.
seen women wear jeans or shorts for the first time. So these transformations are priceless.
Exactly.
And the best part is the bond they share. So even after they're back from the trip, they keep connecting. They talk, they meet, they celebrate together. So the
Okay.
journey which started as strangers is now friends forever.
Wow, that sounds absolutely beautiful. What a blast these ladies must be having. Now tell us, how is your upcoming Bali retreat different from your previous departure?
So basically, in all our trips, we focus on premium properties, government meals,
Okay.
comfortable travel, good sightseeing, adventure, shopping. So these are the pillars of a trip.
All
In
right.
Bali, we have all these things. But what is added is a layer of experience.
Okay.
So every day they experience something special, something many women may be trying for the first time. A guided yoga session, a candlelight meditation, a
Yeah.
sound healing experience, a traditional Bali's healing massage. So these are not just activities, these are experiences. So basically, this trip is a blend of fun, joy, excitement, adventure, plus
Absolutely.
calmness and relaxation.
Oh wow, this already sounds magical. I'm honestly tempted to join. One concern families may have, of course, is safety.
And that is extremely important. So basically, I'm personally escorting this group. My counterparts are based in Bali,
Okay.
and we have overseas travel insurance for everyone.
All right.
So, all the services like hotels, transfers, curated experiences, sightseeing, everything is pre planned and pre booked. So, everything is professionally managed. So, families can be at ease.
All right. Jasmeet, before we close, what would be your message to all the women listening today?
I would simply say taking time off for yourself is not
Exactly.
being selfish, it's self love.
Yeah,
A
absolutely.
happy and contented woman spreads positive energy everywhere, at
Yeah.
home, at work, in every relationship, and that can change everything.
And perhaps fathers and husbands listening, this might just be the most thoughtful gift you can give her.
Absolutely. Let her spread her wings.
Thank you, Jasmeet, for sharing your vision and your beautiful journey. And to all our listeners, don't wait, don't hesitate. Maybe Bali is calling you.